Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials so the app runs smoothly. Install the 360 app and sign in. This links your data to the cloud. Once done, enable 2FA and verify email to protect access. Make sure to grant camera, mic, and storage permissions. Without them, capture and saving fail. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 5G network for uploads and live previews, because slow connections cause lag and corrupt sync. Now you're ready to open the app and create your first project. You now move into capture and configuration. This is where quality is made. Select single 360 degrees photo, timed burst, or panoramic video. Each mode changes how the app stitches images. Adjust exposure and white balance for consistent light, and pick resolution like 4K for sharper output. Use stabilization and a tripod mount to minimize motion blur and preview the stitch to catch seams early. Once configured, record short test clips, because small tweaks here save hours in editing. You finish by polishing and exporting your work for viewers. Review the stitched output, trim edges, and apply color grading. Use export presets to match platforms like web or VR. Make sure to save locally and sync to cloud so you have backups. When exporting, choose format and quality to balance file size versus fidelity. If you see stitching artifacts or dropped frames, rerun the stitch with increased overlap, clear the app cache, and then reprocess one more time. This fix resolves most common errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.